In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the embeddable storefront sales channel. Let's say you have a custom website, for example, a WordPress website or any other website built using any other content management system, and you want to embed your storefront on that website. So you want customers to be able to order from that custom website using the embeddable storefront sales channel. You can generate storefronts that you can embed on custom websites. So in this video, I'm going to show an example on how to do that. So for example, I've created my WordPress website. You can see the WordPress website here. So what we want to do is we want to make our products available so that customers can order it on this website. Instead of them coming to our online store here, they can come to our custom website. So for example, this is our blog, and then order the product. So for us to do this, we go to the admin panel here. We navigate to the sales channel section here and select all sales channels menu. All right, so this will show us the list of all the sales channels we have available. So for us to generate the embeddable storefront, we come here and select the storefronts option here. All right, so what we do next is we go ahead and click on the create storefront button here, and then we go ahead and set the language and currency that will be visible in the storefront. So for this example, we select English. For the currency, we select the US dollar. And then if we have multiple stores, we can choose the store that the product will be pulled from. So for this example, we have only one store. So we go ahead and click on the continue button here. So in the next section here, we can select the products that you can sell in the store. So take note of the information here. So make sure that you select the product that is compatible with the storefront module. So for this example, we'll select all the products here. So what we do next is we go ahead and click on the continue button. So here you can see that it allows us to customize the layout of the embeddable storefront. So this is currently how it will look when the customer visits the store. So what we do next is we go ahead and make sure that we set up the settings here. So let's proceed. All right, so let's go ahead and adjust the alignment. Here we can make the alignment to the left or the right, but for this example, we set it as center. So for the text size for the buttons, we can increase it. So we increase the size of this is the size of the columns. So we leave it as medium. For the typography here, we can change the button font and also increase the text size for the title. So let's make this 16. Change the color to light blue. For the price text, we can increase the price text size to 16 as well. We leave the color as black. So for the button color, we change this to white. All right. Change the button background color to, let's say, green. All right. So you see that the changes been applied. So we change the text color to 16 as well. So we can adjust the button border radius, but we won't do that. We leave the button text as it is. For the shopping cart, Can adjust the text color, make it light blue, change the button color as well, and make this green if we want to adjust that. So you can make it green. All right. So if we want to enable the customers to choose categories in the embeddable store, we enable this. If we also want them to search for products, we enable this as well. So once we are sure that we have adjusted the layout settings, go ahead and click on the continue button here. So in the final stage, you see that we are now presented with the embed code. So this is the code that we are going to insert in the custom website page. So the next thing we do is we go ahead and copy it. And then once we have gotten the code, we can paste it. We can generate a new text here, and then we paste it here. So what we'll now do is we go ahead and log into the WordPress website admin panel. So we log into the WordPress admin panel here. So now that we've logged into the admin panel, we can now proceed to the pages section. So for the sample page we have here, you can see that we have the option to add to the page. So let's say we go to the because this is a blog, we go to the post section here, and this is the post we are looking at here. So we click on the edit button. All right. So we wait for the page to load. So now that the page has loaded, so we have the option to edit the page. So what we'll do next now is we go ahead and add, let's look for the correct widget. So what we do, we add custom HTML. So we add this here, and then here we can now paste the code. So this is the embed code. So we paste it here. So once we do that, we can preview it. So you see that when we preview it, it loads the store. You can see that this is the embeddable store here. So once we do this, we can now go ahead and update the page. So coming back to the front end of the WordPress website, we refresh it. All right, so you see that the new store has been added here. So let's go ahead and test it to see we can navigate the various categories. We have the search option here, and then we have the add to cart. We have the cart option here. So let's say we want to make a test order from this site. We go ahead and click on the view details here. Sorry, this is a very small page, so let's go ahead and make adjustments to increase the width. All right, so you can see that the page looks small. This is because of the theme we are using. So what we'll do is we'll now go and change the theme and ensure that we can view the page properly. So for us to adjust this problem with the embeddable store that we just embedded here, we go back to the WordPress admin panel here. So what we do next is we change the theme from this to this. So let's go ahead and activate this theme. All right. So once we activate the theme, we come back to this page and refresh the page. So you can see that we have activated it and it looks better in the blog post. So, but let's say we want to put it on an actual page instead of a blog post. To do this, we come back to the admin panel here. Here we select pages. So on that page, we select the sample page option here. All right, so now that we have opened the sample page, we'll now go ahead and add a new block here. So we click on this plus button here. So here we now search for the custom HTML widget. So we select this. So this is where we'll now paste the embed code. So we select the embed code again, and then we paste it here. Once we paste it, we can go ahead and preview it. So you see that it looks better here. So what we do next is we update the page. So now that we've updated the page, we can now come to the back to the pages list page here. And then what we do is we come here and click on view here. So you see that the embeddable store is now active on this sample page. So let's go ahead and test it. We can navigate any of the categories here. So we can search for product. So let's say we search for products 1. All right. So you see that we can search for products here. So we can always go between the pages. So let's say we want to make an order to test the ordering process for the embedded store. We click on the view details here. So you see that it shows us details about this product. So we see a brief description. So we can select any of them to see that. So when we are ready to order, let's say we want to order this product, we click on the add to cart here. So you see that once we do that, the shopping cart has been updated. So clicking on this, you see that it has added the product to the cart. So let's add more products. All right, added another product here. All right. So after we have added the products, we can now proceed to checkout. So let's say we are now ready to place the order. We come here and click on the checkout button. All right, so you see that we can now proceed to checkout by filling the information. Select our account detail here. Let's expand this. So we enter our customer account login. So that's how we process the order. Once we add it to cart, and then we can now go ahead and place the order using the shopping cart and then the checkout button here. In this video, I've shown you how to set up the embeddable storefronts and how to embed it into your custom website. Thank you for watching.